This add-on is meant to streamline the documentation of impacts assessments. To get started, go to Google Classroom, however you usually navigate there, and once you're in, choose the class that you want to do the assessment in, and choose any assignment. It does not need to be one where students have turned in something. Go up to the cog here on the top right and choose the first thing, copy all grades to Google Sheets. This will create a spreadsheet. Could take a while because you might have a lot of assignments up here in the top section. Don't worry about anything that's here now though. Don't touch it. Just go on to the add-ons menu here and say Get Add-ons. Jump down to for AAS and choose this one, Impacts Assessment, and click Free, which means you're going to add it to your spreadsheet. Choose your account, authorize this connection, and then it will do a little work just to make sure that it's set up properly, and it'll notify you with this little pop-up. You can close this, go down to Impacts Assessments under Add-ons in the menu, click Start. This is first going to kind of reformat and change things up. It'll also show you that we renamed the spreadsheet and shared it with Mark. And then it'll ask which performance area you'd like to begin with. So this is the first one that you'd like to assess. Choose whichever one it is. Maybe I'm going to choose Global Awareness. I hit Submit, and it will create a column for me to enter some data. This one has dispositions. So I also want to just show you quickly, if I wanted to choose another, I can say add another assessment or add an assessment. And let's say I want to choose one that is a skill. When I add that, it'll indicate that that's a skill here. Also, remember that there is specific proficiency language for this, and I just want to show you that there's a pop-up where you can see the proficiency language, and you can download this if you choose to do that. Have it on screen in a different tab perhaps, or even print it if you wanted to. Also notice after each student, you can choose the appropriate grade. Please do that. You can choose the gender of the student. Please do that. If it doesn't pop up there, just click off of it and click back on. You can choose, then here, this is to just help you quickly know which of these know which words are used for dispositions versus which are used for skills when you do your ratings. Again, click off and click back on to make sure that they pop up for you. Once you choose one, let's say I want to say that this student is proficient, with this little box in the corner, if I get that cross piece, I can also drag that up or down. That's an easy way to fill in more boxes at once. You could do the same thing here if you teach all the same grade level and I say grade 8, I could hover in the corner and pull that down to fill all those in. Hopefully that'll make things a bit more smooth for you in terms of just getting your sort of assessments into these spreadsheets.